Alright, Teresa, salute. Today we come for football and Pidgin. After match talk how you see him. I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Chelsea 2 and Borussia Dortmund 0. And we get Oga Ose, we be like, you know, we'll get person make tell us about how insane this game. Oga Ose, your team don't win back to back for all competition, and when they don't qualify, go to the quarterfinals of the UEFA Champions League. Now, how you see your team performance today?
Well, I just be saying that just animal game one be. I don't first tell now before for years say me don't really say Chelsea will qualify. Whether Potter do well or not do well. And that feeling just in my head say we qualify, not because of coach. But the players just like poke our body. I think you see some improvements. Even Cucurella, we see improvements. People Cucurella, Joao Felix, Enzo Fernandez still play very well. Koulibaly, Koulibaly, the guy try very well. Dortmund attacking, they're not anybody play. So it just makes sense for me. It goes well.
So to you, be your man of the match for this performance?
Might just give Cucurella. Since he come, now the best game we don't play for me this one. So I give Cucurella.
So I want to ask you about the manager now. How you see these two wins, the win against Leeds United, the win against Borussia Dortmund. So you as a Chelsea fan, you think say may they continue to give the guy more time?
No, I don't think that one. I'll tell you before. Against Leeds, now luck with him win. I'll still tell you tomorrow. Immediately we score Leeds, at least play the ball past us. This guy attempts on goals past us. Likewise, the same one for here. Assuming that penalty say they not replay him again, maybe we will not even win this guy. I think that for scores. Because Chelsea going to counter under this score. So once we just score, we're not for the play ball well again. So that just happened. So I hope it's not what just happened. The win just won't be our own. Not because of the coach. Because if you look this Dortmund game very well, all these changes are poor changes now. They come on, they put Gallagher, they come on Joao Felix for 63 minutes. They put them Lutoshi, they come on Kovacic. That's when they play the game well. So that's just poor changes. Just that what happen. Just my own belief say this match, whether Potter or no Potter, we don't win now. That's what it still happen.
So you know say get with some people they talk, even Chelsea fans they talk say anytime when Chelsea sack coach, that they win something. So you now you think that Chelsea get chance to win the Champions League this season?
I'm a Chelsea fan and I'm very positive. At least you have been week in, week out. No matter how we poor or rich, any game they play, I think we're going to win this match. Even we lose or we draw. Always they say we lose the win. So for the Champions League matter, I'll still be so officially doing. But I don't believe it's now because of the coach. But it just happened to us naturally. The coach for now, not the capable of coaching Chelsea yet. So yeah.
Now I ask you about Chelsea next game now. Chelsea next game for Premier League. Now Leicester City. How you dey see that one? Leicester City away. You think say this win go ginger the players, go face Leicester City, go get 3 points?
If the coach use the right startup, use the right players, don't forget his strategy. Just use the right players. We go mentality. We go win. We win Leicester. I don't think say we go lose. We win Leicester. Highest now draw, but we win. Man say 2-0 or 2-1.
2-0.
Yes.
So your message to other Chelsea fans like this?
Oh, just they watch the goals. You know, side the coach. I'm just the pray. When they pray, say we just they win. That's so I my message to Chelsea fans.
All right, thank you. People now loyal boy of course where they loyal like loyal me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.